So midweek review. I promised you guys a bonus video since the last one was so short. So here we are. As we were targeting this value area high, we did hit it and rejected it. Came down, broke under our volume point of control. We're starting to back test that now, and I think that is our big resistance for now today between that and a. Let's check a higher rise between that and I'm even going to say this 618. Let's bring that down just a little bit. This zone, I think if we hit this volume point of control 618 and reject, then we're going to come down into this value area low. So our resistance is coming in at 67 to 68,000, a little over 68,000, and then possibly either hold and continue on, or I think possibly break down and back into the band at 63 to the value area low at about $61,500. Between there and this big level of support coming in at $59,000, somewhere in here, I think would be a great long position to try and get support for a higher low. Finally, out of this larger range, we'll look at in just a minute, come in and break that high. I think of the whole range, which is all the way up here, 73. So let me pull up on a daily. Take a look at the larger picture charts here, and you can see we new high, came down, lower high, lower low, lower high, up in here, lower low. So far we have a lower high. To break out of this range, I really want to see it catch support in this area and then rip back up and just hitting some of our targets. If we don't find support here, our next area to look for again is the bottom of this channel, which is also this support that we missed last time, coming in around $50,000. It should be fairly substantial support there. And if we break under that, we have major support on the long-term trend at 42. That'd be a bit of a surprise to hit, but stranger things have happened. Let me pull on the bands, and we'll see if we have any overlapping support. And yeah, we do. Breaking down here to hit the value area low would be a test of our daily band, which has shifted bullish. Our EMAs have crossed bullish. It'd be a test of them too. Yeah, especially around here about 63. So if we can test those, and look at the bottom, we got our 200. So we don't want to lose our 200 EMA, which is about that line at 618. So that gives me some hope for some additional support. And then we could lift off from there. Now these shifts, if we do shift, now we've shifted EMAs back here. You can see the EMAs, the candles have gone green, but we haven't shifted our daily since March 19th this past spring until just recently here at July 20th, just a week ago, a little over a week ago. So we haven't had a lot of time with that bullish shift, but I mean, it is looking good. Like the monthly band is bullish, and we did back test that and found support. So ideally, now we're just looking to back test that daily. We've been hovering here at the weekly band. Now we just need to test that daily band and shift everything back into green, running back up, and we can continue on with that bullish momentum. Losing the monthly band like we did back here, well, was hardly established, honestly. But now that we have it established, hopefully we can treat it as support use that to shoot us back up into our targets at 79 to about 100,000. My first real reactionary target here being about 83,700. Back into the 4 hour. Let's see if there's anything actionable right now, and it's not looking it. So, yeah, we're finding resistance here on the 4 hour. 4 hour may try to cross bearish to come back and do that check. And yeah, for me, if we continue to reject this volume point of control in this zone, next level will be here, the value area low, 61,600. That would be major major signal to start looking for longs down in this area as gold box. Even in the white box, I might start building, but really start looking for them here in this gold box. Let's take a look at the general markets. Now the market has opened. It's almost 10 o'clock. And boom, look at that. Double tapped our support. Found it again. We come up and broke the neckline on the SPYs. So where are we looking at now? The SPYs, about 555 to possibly even all the way up in here at this $560 range. But my first real level is, I think we close this gap from here, about 450 all the way to 453. And then find our resistance box here, about 555. And then I'll be looking possibly to short into a much lower position. We'll just have to see what goes and how it goes. Qs should be doing pretty much the same thing. Yeah. Qs open, left a gap, of course. Open, we're breaking our neckline now. We can hold that and come into this range box that fill in this gap here, about 480. Possibly even hit our target up in this box here, starting at about 485. Again, support held on that double tap. Formed our bullish divergence. We lifted off. Doing a pretty good trade on that one so far. I'm pretty happy with the Qs so far. Hopefully that's a good mid shift for you guys if you were looking at the SPY or the Qs based on our prior analysis over the weekend. I hope you took some good trades off of them. Bitcoin, I hope you took your profits off the value area high. My long is closed, so yeah, it's not that it can't go higher. It's that I'm looking for a better entry opportunity. Took some nibbles here in our support box, but nothing major. I really am thinking it's looking rejective here in this area. I think if we can form like a 3-wave structure down into this zone, I'd be super happy, and I'd very much be willing to entertain some long-awaited bullish action. So that's going to cover our 3 mains. Hope you enjoyed your little midweek bonus. And you guys, I'll see you again this weekend. Happy trading to you all. Good luck.